Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best grain-free food is probably one of the most important choices you'll make for your small breed dog. These specially formulated foods cater to the unique dietary requirements of smaller dogs, often excluding common allergens like grains. This video will explore the benefits, key ingredients, and factors to consider when selecting the perfect grain-free option for your furry friend, ensuring they receive optimal nutrition for a healthy and active life. Number 5. ORIJEN Small Breed Grain-Free Dry Dog Food 4 pounds. This is ORIJEN Small Breed Dry Dog Food, specially crafted for your small dog. It's designed to meet their unique nutritional needs with a kibble shape that's easy to eat. This grain-free dog food is packed with 85% animal ingredients. It includes whole prey ingredients, like nourishing organs, mirroring what dogs' ancestors ate in the wild. The first 5 ingredients are fresh or raw poultry and fish. This provides a high-protein diet, giving them the protein, vitamins, and minerals they need to thrive. This dry dog food kibble is made in the USA with quality ingredients from around the world. It's made without soy, corn, tapioca, or wheat. Choose ORIJEN to give your small breed dog the best. It's a complete and balanced diet that supports their health and happiness. What we like. This food boasts an impressive 85% animal ingredient content, ensuring a protein-rich diet. It features fresh or raw ingredients, maximizing nutritional value. If you're looking for a food that closely mimics a dog's ancestral diet, you should consider this option. It's perfect for those who prioritize a natural, high-protein diet for their small breed. What people say. The kibble is pretty decent in size, with the puppy kibble being a bit smaller than the others. His coat remains healthy-looking and shiny, with little to no shedding. ORIJEN also makes freeze-dried treats which we use for training in combination with his kibble. Both work great and keep him engaged. Overall, a great brand of kibble that offers a variety of healthy options to keep in rotation for the high-protein diet. Number 4. Wellness Core Grain-Free Small Breed Dog Food. This is a grain-free dog food designed specifically for small breeds. It's packed with high-quality protein from turkey and other natural ingredients. This recipe provides a complete and balanced diet for your dog. With 47% protein, this food helps maintain a healthy weight and build lean muscle mass. It's formulated based on the idea that dogs need a diet rich in meat. This helps them thrive. The recipe includes omega fatty acids for a healthy coat and skin. It also has glucosamine to support strong joints. Plus, it contains fiber and probiotics for good digestion. This food is made with all natural ingredients and contains no corn, wheat, or soy. It also avoids artificial colors and preservatives. It's a healthy choice for your dog. Using globally sourced ingredients, this food is prepared in a state-of-the-art facility in the USA. The recipes are crafted with non-GMO ingredients chosen for their nutritional benefits. You can trust the quality. What we like. This food is packed with high-quality protein, supporting lean muscle mass. It also includes ingredients that promote healthy digestion and strong joints. If you have a small breed dog with sensitive digestion or joint issues, this is a great choice. It provides a balanced and nutritious meal. What people say. My pup, now 2, has been on this for 2 years and sometimes eats before treats and wet food. Vet said hasn't made her gain weight or get tartar on teeth, so he is pleased to. I make sure all her food is grain-free and we've had no digestive issues. My little dog no longer has weepy eyes. She's lost a little weight I think, and she plays like a dog half her age. Now, instead of walking slowly, she runs everywhere. And she loves this food, gobbles it down, no more mixing in canned food to get her to eat. Seems to agree with my dog. She hasn't had any issues and seems to like it. Number 3. Blue Buffalo Freedom Grain-Free Small Breed Dry Dog Food. This grain-free dog food prioritizes real, high-quality chicken. It's the number 1 ingredient, ensuring a delicious and nutritious meal for your small breed dog. This recipe is crafted with their needs in mind. Specifically formulated for small breeds, this natural dog food helps meet their higher energy demands. It provides increased levels of protein and carbohydrates to keep them active and playful. It's designed to fuel their adventures. This dog food includes exclusive, antioxidant-rich LifeSource bits. These bits help support a healthy immune system. It's a tasty way to help keep your dog feeling their best. Made with no chicken byproduct meals, and no corn, wheat, or soy. This Blue Buffalo recipe uses only healthy and wholesome ingredients. You can feel good about what you're feeding your furry friend. This bag contains a generous supply of Blue Freedom grain-free small breed dry dog food. The chicken recipe is sure to be a hit with your dog. Give them the taste they crave and the nutrition they need. To improve the taste, the ingredients have been changed in the Blue Freedom Dog Dry recipes. There have been no new allergens added. The recipe is always improving. The digital product packaging has been updated to highlight the ingredients and benefits. While the physical packaging may look slightly different, all the information is accurate. It's the same great food, now with a fresh look. What we like. This food is made with real chicken as the primary ingredient, ensuring a delicious and palatable meal. It's formulated to support the higher energy needs of small breeds. If your dog is very active or has high energy demands, this food is designed to meet those needs. It's a tasty and nutritious option for energetic pups. What people say. Buster is happy, never sickly, and his coat is gorgeous and shining. I also like the smaller kibble pieces that Blue comes in for easier chewing for my small breed of dog. I found it made their coats shiny and soft and kept them playful as they have aged. Number 2. Canidae Pure Petite Lamb Recipe Dry Dog Food. This is Canidae Pure Petite, crafted with real lamb as the first ingredient. It's paired with whole ingredients like lentils and peas, then coated with freeze-dried raw lamb for amazing taste. It's made with real food ingredients, perfect for your little pup. This recipe uses 8 or fewer key ingredients that are easily recognizable, ideal for sensitive dogs. This smaller kibble recipe provides complete and balanced goodness. It is formulated with antioxidants and probiotics to support a healthy digestive and immune system. It also includes a nutritious blend of vitamins and minerals. This helps support healthy joints, skin, and coat for your dog. Canidae is committed to creating a world of goodness. Premium proteins and regeneratively farmed ingredients nourish pets and the planet in every bowl. What we like. This food features real lamb as the primary ingredient, appealing to dogs with sensitive stomachs. It's coated with freeze-dried raw lamb for enhanced flavor and palatability. If your dog has sensitivities or you're looking for a limited ingredient diet, this is a great choice. It offers a delicious and easily digestible meal. What people say. Canidae Pure fits the bill perfectly, with a short list of whole ingredients and no fillers or artificial additives. Since switching to this food, both my dog's coat have become softer and shinier, and they have more energy and a healthier weight. My favorite part is the small kibble size is also perfect for my small breed dog's smaller mouth and teeth. Number 1. Pawstruck Air Dried Dog Food 2.5 ounce Trial Bag. Want to give your dog the best? Try this air-dried food. It's slowly oven roasted at a low temperature to retain maximum nutrition and a crunchy texture. This recipe is made with 96% real beef, satisfying your pup's carnivore cravings. It's grain-free, gluten-free, and paleo-inspired, with a blend of flaxseed, salmon oil, vitamins, and minerals. Made in the USA with wholesome ingredients, this food is free from fillers. It offers the digestibility of raw or freeze-dried food with the convenience of dry food. This healthy dog food is vet-recommended and AAFCO compliant. It's made in a safe, quality food certified facility, ensuring your dog gets a safe and nutritious meal. As a small business, we make wholesome and healthy recipes that we feed our own dogs. Try this travel-friendly trial bag today and see how much your furry friend enjoys it. This food is custom-made to satisfy picky eaters of all breeds. It's blended with the finest ingredients to meet the nutritional needs of small, medium, and large breeds. Elevate your pup's dining experience with this amazing food. What we like. This food uses real beef as the primary ingredient and is air-dried to preserve nutrients. It's vet-recommended and made in the USA. If you're looking for a convenient, yet highly nutritious option, this is a great choice. It provides a safe and delicious meal for dogs of all ages and breeds. What people say. She actually gets excited at mealtime now and finishes her bowl every time. A remarkable 96% of the kibble is made from high-quality real beef, beef lung, and beef liver. Since introducing Pawstruck into my dog's diet, I've witnessed a remarkable transformation. My service dog now boasts a shinier coat, heightened energy levels, and improved digestion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.